everyone, this is Harvey and you're watching Real Cebu Travel. I'm now in Tinuy-An Falls, Bislig City, Surigao del Sur. And that one here, there is the Tinuy-An Falls. This is a 6-hour bus ride from Davao City and 4-hour bus ride or van ride from Butuan City. I'm gonna take you now to level 2, where the current or the falls is stronger or bigger, wider than this first one over there. The quickest route to get here is from Mangagoy. The habal-habal ride is 100 per head, but if you're just the only one traveling just like me, you'll have to pay 200 one-way trip. So on your way back it's another 200, but if there are two of you, so yeah, 100 each for you to get here. Now that this is the Tinuy-An Falls. The water is not clear today because it's been raining for a few days here in Surigao del Sur, but yeah, that is the majestic waterfall. It's just amazing. It's very exciting. So they call this the Niagara Falls of the Philippines. You'll see why.